In this quick tutorial, you are going to learn how to buy domain in Canva. In my last two videos, I have shown you how to design a website completely free using Canva. And another video, I have shown you how to add your custom domain in Canva. If you already bought a domain and you want to host your Canva free website to that domain, how you can do that, I also showed you in that video. You can check in the comment to see those two videos. In this video, I'll show you how to buy domain in Canva. If you need to buy to host your Canva free website, I will step by step show you how to buy your domain in Canva. I'm Saif from Digi Whisper, and let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. So I'm in my Canva account, and now go to or open your design. So let's say this is my website, and I want to host this website in my custom domain, and I want to buy it from the Canva. How I can buy it? Just click here in the publish button, and now click here, get a new domain. So here you will find two options. The one option is bring your own domain, and the second option is buy a new domain. This option is for you if you already have bought a domain, and if you want to host this website into that domain, you can use this option. Otherwise, you want to buy a new domain to host your Canva website, then you should click buy a new domain, this button, and now click continue, and here search your domain if it is available. Let's say I want to make my domain contentwhisper.com. So I'm searching if this domain is available or not. So Content Whisper domain is not available. Let's say Content Valley or Content Zone. So Content Zone is not also available. Content Point is not also available, as I want to go with the .com domain. So I just need to find my perfect domain here. So contentvalley.com. So this domain is available. I can use this domain or I can buy this domain. So here you need to click claim domain, this section. And here is all of the information you need to put. Let's say your first name, your last name, your organization name, your email, and your contact number, your street address, your apartment or your address, and your country. And then you should confirm your card. Just click here to add your card, and once everything is done, it will show you how much you need to pay to buy this domain per year. Once everything is perfect, you just need to click place order, this button, to make the payment, and it will order your domain to buy from Canva. And after successfully completed the buying process, you will get your Canva website into this domain. So it is very simple. You can try it out. In this video, I have shown you how to buy a domain in Canva. Alright, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop it in the comment, and I might pick your question in the next video. I genuinely read every comment because this channel is all about solving your real life problem, not just random tutorials. So if you are stuck and confused or just curious about a tool, ask me below. I will reply you personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must-visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.